Welcome to Blue Sarah and the Tekedia Institute. I'm WC. If you already have access to Blue Sarah, one of the things you're going to see here is the WinGPT. Of course, WinGPT, you can do all types of things. Ask Blue Sarah WinGPT questions. Explain the constructs of innovation. And you can get answers from our WinGPT, which can now take you through the whole elemental construct of innovation. So many beautiful things here. We are also upgrading the capabilities, bringing imaging system and things that will help you. The beauty of WinGPT is that it is built and created with proprietary data and knowledge base specifically for Tekedia Institute. Now, let me now take you to what we are going to build as we get into Tekedia AI Lab, which is a program that we are going to offer to our community and to the world for anybody who registers. Welcome to overview of Tekedia AI Lab. I'm WC Ekekwe. I will lead this practical technical section for Tekedia Institute as we co-learn on how to build artificial intelligence agents. Already noted that if you sign up for Tekedia AI Lab, we're going to give you access to Tekedia AI in Business Masterclass. The Tekedia AI in Business Masterclass will provide the fundamental mechanics on the business of artificial intelligence and how to capture alpha, build businesses, and advance the wealth of nations, communities, and individuals in this era of artificial intelligence. But in the Tekedia AI Lab, we're going to go into the real deal. How do we build these systems? How do we actually create agents? We're going to take you through that trajectory. This is not a coding class. This is not a programming class. We're not going to teach you Python, how to do PHP, or whatever. No. What we're going to do here is to take you to code-based level using open source AI foundational model. We have about 6 agents, but going to take about 4. And the first is a customer support AI agent. It will help you essentially to see how you can build an agent that autonomously will have a capacity to support customers. This will be a real agent that will be deployed and you can see how it works. Understanding that this is within the framework of training. We call and brand it Blue Sarah WinGPT support. Then the next one is how you can optimize search engine optimization within a portal, your website. You're going to see how you build a solution. We just use the brand name Blue Sarah WinGPT SEO. The next is how do you plan your day? How do you structure your day? We build an agent on that using the first principle. That is Blue Sarah WinGPT Planner. The next is Resume and Job Match Agent. You put your resume and it's going to now help you with jobs which that resume matches. That's WinGPT Jobs. Then the next is WinGPT Companion and then WinGPT Explorer. Our goal is not, again, to teach you how to program. Rather, it is to help you to see how the pieces are put together. That's what Tekedia AI Lab is all about. And we are hoping that you come and let us co-learn. At the end of the day, you will learn how to build these solutions and then you can actually drive whatever you want to.